Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa. Today I am going to tell about Yashti Madhu, licorice. So many of them are knowing about this licorice powder because it is used as a face pack or all in all cosmetic products also it is a ingredient, major ingredient. Like that only it is used for our hair, growing of hair also. So what all are the properties for whom this should not be used and which all modes this can be used? This is the today's topic about licorice. So we are going to the topic. First of all, this is Vata Pitta Hara. What it means? If you are getting any diseases related to Vata increased or Pitta increased situations, it is very helpful to decrease these doshas. Like that, for increasing our immunity, this licorice powder is very helpful. And for singers, they should have a good voice clarity. So whenever they get some problem in their throat, they used to chew some sticks of licorice, and after some time they will get a good voice clarity. So this is very popular among singers. And next is it is a good expectorant, so it can remove the cough from our body. It is used for cough and cough related problems also. So many of the ayurvedic cough syrups, its main ingredients is this Jeshth Madhu. Next is it is very good for our hair growth also. For a silky shining hair this is used, and this powder is mixed with our rice boiled water. It is also good for our hair health. So if you want, you can add some amla powder also to this. Along with that, you can add some amount of tulasi also, tulasi leaves also. So it will compensate the Shitatva. Like that, it is very useful for our increasing the immunity and for allergic rhinitis like conditions. So many of the people are suffering from allergic rhinitis. While getting up from bed, they used to get sneezing 10 times, 15 times, 20 times, etc. So for decreasing these problems, this is very helpful. For conjunctivitis conditions cases also it is very helpful. It is overall very helpful for our all sense organs. For the clarity of our sense organs, this licorice powder is very helpful. In our body, ulcers or wounds will be there. For healing of ulcers and wounds, or otherwise if you are getting some burns in our body, it is very helpful to clear these wounds, or for the improvement, for the betterment of our burns and all, it is very helpful. You can apply this licorice powder with ghee or something. Like that also it is called as Varnya. What is meant by Varnya? Varnya means color enhancing. What is that color enhancing? If you are having some dark pigmentation in your face, you can use this one. Like that only, if you are having any problem of pimples and all, or dryness in the skin, it will help us a lot. Like that, it is an antiviral property drug. If you are having virus in your body, it is helpful to decrease the viral attack. So it is also useful for the immunity and also for the viral attack also. Like that, it is also good for degenerative changes. Many of us are facing so many problems, as a backache or pain in the leg and all, etc. So while we are going to a doctor, the doctor will tell that, oh, you are having some degenerative problems in your degenerative changes in your body. So for prevention of these degenerative changes, and also like that only, for getting betterment from these degenerative changes, this is a very helpful drug of choice. And for decreasing the palpitation, some of the patients are complaining that they are getting much palpitations. Generally in thyroid patients, palpitations will be there. So like that, that palpitation is getting um, for those conditions also this medicine can be used. And someone are getting cracks in our feet, so in during, not only during the cold season, throughout the year, so in those cases also they will get a very relief from the cracks in the foot. And it is also good for our liver health also. If you are having any problems in liver and all, you can take it as a supplement medicine. And it is also good for our brain. For brain means for anxiety, depression, or any stress related conditions, you can use this with the help of along with the Saraswata Rishtam and all. It is also good for our heart. For if we are having any triglyceride, increased triglyceride problem, or or any cholesterol related issues, we can use this as a medicine. And it is also good for fracture healing. If you are having any fracture in our body, it is good for the healing, easy healing of the fracture. For ulcerative colitis patients also this medicine can be given, because it will not irritate our stomach, so it can be easily taken and it will not disturb the normalcy of the patient. Like that only, for skin dryness also it is very helpful. And for also it helps as a analgesic property, means it helps to reduce the pain in our body. For example, if you are having headache and all, or shoulder pain and all, etc., we can use this powder, this licorice powder with Rasnari churnam, with some amount of lime water, lemon juice, and if you are applying as a lap in our body, in our head region, it will decrease the headache of our body. Like that only, for the energy of our body, some people are telling that always they are feeling tiredness in their body, so for that also it is very helpful for removing the tiredness and for the energy of the body, constant energy level, also this medicine is used. For the clarity of all the sense organs, for eyes, nose, throat, etc., all the sense organs, it is very helpful medicine. And next we are going to the condition who can't use this medicine. uh, those who are pregnant, they can avoid this medicine. Along with that, who are having a higher BP, hypertension, they can avoid this medicine. And next category is low potassium level, those patients also can avoid this medicine. Like that only, in which all modes we can use this medicine. It is available as sticks, so you can whenever you want, as I early told, the singer used to chew these sticks for the voice clarity. So one mode is like that. Second is its powder is available. Third is it is tablet form is available. And like that only, one Shirapaka decoction form is available. For making this Jeshtamadu Shirapaka, liquorized Shirapaka, you can take 1 teaspoon of powder, liquorized powder. With that, 1 glass of milk, and with that 3 glass of water. So by boiling these all things in a low flame, you can make this liquid to 1 glass. It is called as Shirapaka, and you can take whenever you want. But better to take before evening 5 o'clock. It is the better time to take the liquorized powder. So these all are the details of licorice or Jeshtamadu or Muleti. So all these things are explained. If you are having any doubt, you please write in the comment section, and if you are having any suggestion, please put in the comment section. And if you are feeling that this video is helpful for you, you can just share it. So thank you very much. And if you want any essential health related topics, you can just mention in between this in below this video, so that I can prepare it for you. So thank you very much.